What's up, guys? Another day, another project on the ZX6R Ninja 636. So yes, this is 2003 model. I think I told you guys that. So today I got a little bit of, just in case, a little extra insurance for the bike. So these are frame sliders. They're OES frame sliders. They have a installation thing on their website, but I'm going to show you guys in the video. So yeah, we're going to be installing those on the bike. Basically, the tools that you'll need is a hex bit set. You'll need a couple extensions just to get in there. This is a 4-inch and a 2-inch. Got a 3/8 inch ratchet, torque wrench for when we're all done, and yeah, basically be going down the instructions and show you guys what you need to do. Alright guys, so first measure is get a 6mm hex on basically whatever setup you want to use. Got the little 2-inch extension and the 3/8 inch drive. I already loosened this, so it's going to look a little funky. Basically, it's this bolt right here. It's an engine mount. You're going to be taking it off. It has a nut on the back side, so it'll come off. But yeah, so basically you just unscrew that. That is where one of the frame sliders is going to go. Once I get that off, I'll come right back to you guys. Alright guys, so 2 frame sliders. This is going to be the left side of the bike and the right side of the bike. So the side that we're working on right now has the longest frame slider. This was the bolt that came out of pretty much where I just showed you. It's like the engine mount. What the instructions tell you to do is remove this. It's like a nylon locking bolt. Remove that, and then you got to stick it back in where the previous bolt came out of. This is like right behind here, and then the frame slider will go here, and then it'll lock in place. So I'll try and get that sort of done. I'll try to get some pictures for you guys and put it in the video. Be right back. Alright guys, so we got the left frame slider in. We're gonna have to torque it down. Basically what you gotta do on this side, you have to hold the nut in the back. So you gotta use your hand, hold the nut in the back, then you put the long bolt through. The hardware with these, it's a little bit bigger. I had to use a T50, which is like one step bigger than the 6mm, I believe. So yeah, that went in place. That just needs to be torqued down. But yeah, left side's in. All you gotta do is hold the nut in the back and thread it through, and then you should be able to get a couple turns on it. Now we are going to be working on the right side, which I believe we start off with this bolt right here. But I'm gonna read the directions real quick and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so the frame slider is going to be going right here. This is another engine mount spot. Same exact thing as the other side. I'm using the 6mm hex head to loosen these. So there's this bolt that runs through about 2 inches back, and there's going to be a nut on the back side of it. Trying to kind of tell where my finger is right there. There's a nut on the back side of it. So yeah, basically loosen it up, hold on to the nut, try not to, I mean, you don't need it, but try not to lose the original factory hardware. It's always good to keep the original factory hardware. But yeah, loosen it up, take it out, and it's going to be about the same process on this side as it is on the other side, but I will still show you guys. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so got the right side frame slider on. About the same strategy. You gotta hold the nut, the nylock nut in the back, and it's gonna be that T50 size hex that is gonna screw in this hardware. On this side frame slider, there's a little cutout, kind of hard to see, a little cutout right here just so it fits around the fairings. But yeah, that's basically all you need to do, and then you need to torque them down to factory spec. I will find out the factory spec right now, and then I'll torque them down and let you guys know what it is. Alright guys, so for the engine bolts, the torque spec is going to be 33 foot-pounds for both sides. So on this side and this side, 33 foot-pounds. Just gotta get your torque wrench all set up. I got the 2-inch extension on it and the T50 hex. So yeah, I'm just gonna torque them down, and then they should be all set to go. Alright guys, so we got these frame sliders all torqued down, 33 foot-pounds. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Got both sides, the left and the right, so that gives me a little bit more added protection just in case I ever set the bike down. It will protect all the fairings on the front side. So yeah, that's a installation video on how to put those frame sliders on from OES. And that's all I got for you guys today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.